What's the meaning of camp? Camp. Camp.
Camp. Camp. The term camp has various meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a recreational activity that involves staying overnight in tents or other makeshift accommodations. Camp can also describe an ideology or aesthetic style characterized by exaggerated, theatrical, and often ironic expressions. Additionally, it can be used to describe behavior that is deliberately and playfully theatrical or exaggerated for humorous effect. In all cases, the common thread is that camp involves a heightened sense of artificiality or theatricality that is embraced and celebrated rather than hidden or denied.